Hey everyone, it's Open with Jen, and we are here to do an unboxing of
Nature Box.
Nature Box. Wah, 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 wah. Anyway, we have this big box of stuff. We went on naturebox.com and they had a promo code ready for us, and you probably. And we got this whole box of snacks for, I think, $11 or $12, and it's this monthly subscription. You can either get 6 snacks or 12 snacks. We got 12, and so we basically got these for like $1 a bag, and they're big bags. There is 5 servings in this pack, 4 servings in this pack, 3.5 servings in this pack, so there's quite a bit in each one. These ones are Turkish apricots, strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels, blueberry almond quinoa bites, apple pie oat clusters, Asiago and cheddar cheese crisps, peanut butter graham jams, carrot strawberry fruit chews, peanut butter nom noms. This is what I go through at home. This is my life. Lemon tea biscuits, blueberry Greek yogurt pretzels, and last but not least, double berry fruit peels. Asma,
What?
can you say hi?
Hi.
What's your name?
Esma.
Esma what?
Esma who?
Esma who? She's a little who from Whoville.
No,
All right, so anyway, we got to personalize this box and choose any snacks we
No,
wanted.
I'm Esma.
Right. And you can also leave it blank and they'll just surprise you. You can put in your allergies or whatever. So this says, this surprise snack is on us. That's why I don't remember ordering this. Peanut butter nom noms. So wait a second. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bags. That's what I ordered. They gave us an 11th surprise bag. This is really a lot of food. Are you ready to do some taste testing? Do it! Ready? We're gonna do the gift first. The peanut butter nom noms. Go ahead, sing it, Teresa.
The peanut butter nom.
All right, so smell first. Do the smell taste. I mean, the smell.
The smell taste.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yum.
Ooh. Tastes like a really yummy oatmeal cookie. That's good. Okay. Moving on. We better take smaller bites than that because this will be like an hour and a half long. So, oh my god. You get a lot of these. You get 10 of them.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's awesome. Let's see what we get. Ooh. It's like fruit leather. Only it strips that, I think, peel.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Here's one for you. Here's one for you. And we will just do a little taste. Oh. That tastes healthy. But it's really good.
It tastes like the other one.
So these have nothing except for carbohydrates and sugars. But there's no fat. There's very little calories. There's only 45 calories in each pack. And there's 10 of them in here. Not bad. Okay, apple pie oat clusters. Oh no. That's unfortunate. Wait a second, I might be able to get it. I'm so sorry, this must be annoying. Give me a thumbs up anyway.
I'm gonna like
Alright,
it.
I think I got it. Okay. So these are apple pie oat clusters. Oh my god, they're crumbly. Crumbly. Oh, see all the yumminess and they taste to me like an oatmeal cookie that is slightly burnt. My take. What about you? Kid approved? Okay.
It's good. It does taste a little burnt though.
Okay, peanut butter and jam. No, peanut butter graham jam. Oh my god, this is cool. This is...
Oh, it's like a snack mix.
Yeah, it's a little snack mix. Okay, I want to try this.
Oh,
Oh, good lord. It's a graham cracker surrounded by peanut butter.
Mom, you should try this.
Oh my god. That's the jam part.
There's the rest part.
Okay, these ones I'm excited about. I love cheese. I love cheese and I love peanut butter. So, ooh, these look good. Share that. These are supposed to be like more healthful than most treats, but they're really not anything.
They're just like crackers.
They're
with
just
macaroni
regular
and cheese.
snacks. There's like not more protein or vitamins or anything.
Mom, what did you say was?
Oh, I like it.
I don't. That is disgusting.
Well, then I guess they're for me. Okay, here we go. We have blueberry almond quinoa bites, which we really like the other quinoa bites. So hopefully these will not the same. Okay, so sorry I crumbled it, but they're like little bird seeds. Literally.
Oh,
They're good.
Oh, you have something.
Oh, they're good. Okay, next. I don't like these, so I'm gonna let the girls try.
What is it?
I don't like yogurt covered stuff.
Oh.
So we have strawberry yogurt covered pretzels and blueberry yogurt covered pretzels. These were the strawberry. And these are the blueberry. You're sharing with Esma, right? Okay, Esma can try this one. Blueberry. See if it's kid approved.
The strawberry one is really kid food.
Very kid approved. You're like mid kid.
Mid kid.
You're like half kid.
I want some of the strawberry.
Okay, but we're gonna taste the rest of this, and then you can eat the whole box. So these are lemon tea biscuits. I got these for me too. I love tea, and I love me a good biscuit. Those are very buttery. I like them. Okay. Carrot strawberry fruit chews.
Also, they sound like fruit snacks or something.
I remember ordering these. There are 5 pouches. 5 pouches in this bag, and they look like this.
They look good.
Wait. Did you see that? Okay. So they're like the fruit peels. So
I love it.
I would say get the fruit peels because you get double. There you go. See? Now you have to give me a thumbs up. I just saved you money. Okay, here we go. This is the last bag. Turkish apricots. And they look like an apricot that has been rolled in the mud.
Or burned.
Right. Esma, you tried these and you didn't like them. This is the only bag we opened prior to videoing. So, I don't mind them.
I don't know.
That's
like
Esma.
either. Mom, I love them.
Oh, see, she likes them now.
Here you go.
Okay, so you love them. You're gonna eat all of them. Okay, so we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Come on, we only have 4 subscribers so far. That's really sad. Subscribe. And we're having Kinder eggs and stuff coming up today, because today is the day before Easter, and even though we don't celebrate Easter, the Easter Bunny still visits us, so that's really exciting. Okay, say goodbye, guys.
Bye. Mom.